y'all, what's up and welcome back. So I placed an order with Ulta a little while ago and today it showed up on my doorstep. So I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I ordered. A couple of the things are for our little beach vacay that is about to happen, so I'm really excited for this haul. The things that I ordered are not super exciting for the beach, but they are necessary. So I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I ordered for the beach and then some of the more exciting things, because we do have a couple things that I am pretty excited about. So I wanted to share this with you guys. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get the more boring stuff out of the way. So the first thing that I picked up was this Neutrogena Beach Defense Water and Sun Protection Sunscreen Spray. This one is SPF 70, and that to me is a really good amount of SPF, and I feel like this will probably last us the whole time. And even if it doesn't, I've got another one. I picked up two of them. This one is actually SPF 100. This one is by Neutrogena as well, and I like Neutrogena sunscreens. I feel like they work really well, so I was really happy to go ahead and get those. I can go ahead and get them packed up because we don't leave till the end of this month, and I wanted to go ahead and get everything packed up and ready to go, and I'm very happy that this all came in time for me to pack it up and have it ready to go for our trip. This is also kind of aimed towards the beach, but it's also just geared towards this summer too. So I picked up the Ulta Beauty light to medium skin tone. This is a tinted moisturizer. This also has SPF. This has SPF 30 in it. I went ahead and picked this up because Ulta actually had this little sale going on where I think you spent like $24 or something. You got a little free kit. I love when Ulta does that. Anytime they do that, I 100% almost always take advantage of it, because like free makeup is free makeup. No matter how you spell it out, free makeup is free makeup, and I'm a makeup fiend. I love it. Ulta brand is usually the one that I end up getting anything from. Sometimes NYX does it, and I always try to get in on that action too. But yeah, so I picked this up, and then I don't feel like you can ever have enough setting spray, so I picked up one of the setting sprays. This one is the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. This is actually a pretty good size bottle. This is 3 ounces, and I think this stuff's maybe $7, so that's a really good price. And these two items together actually got me the little kit. It might not have been $24. I think it might have only been like maybe it was $16. I'm not 100% sure, but anyways, I'm going to show you that next. So for placing the order with Ulta and buying Ulta Beauty products, this is the little guy that I got for free this time. So it actually, I feel like I want to start using this in my purse. Like, this looks like a really good wallet. So you open it up. I'm not 100% sure if I'll use it. The zipper's kind of a little bit catchy, but I mean, it was free, so I don't really care. So this is the inside of it, and inside it came with, so it's got a lip and cheek color stick. I'll go ahead and swatch that. So there is the lip and cheek stick. Then it's got a eye color stick. This is in the color Champagne. It's really pretty. I feel like that would be nice for a highlight too, right there. Ignore my nails, they're kind of ratchet right now. And then this is a face sculpting color stick, and I love a good sculpting stick, and that's actually a good color too. It's not too warm and it's not too gray. I like that. Then there's also a automatic black eyeliner. So that's what that looks like. Let's see what it's. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then we have an automatic brow pencil in the shade Medium, which is actually a very good shade for me. So there is that. So that's a really good little sample bag. And it also came with some little blotting sheets and a little hair tie. And I've never used one of these hair ties before, but I always hear that they're really good for your hair, so that's awesome. And then here's your little blotting sheets. Super stinking cute. And there's 10 of them in there. So I thought that was a really good sample bag. And the bag itself, like I said, it looks like it would be really good for like a wallet, like if you don't want to carry your purse in a store or something, because it's got this little pocket right here, and then it's got all these slots that could be for your cards, and then this actually opens, and there's another slot right here. So you could keep little stuff in there too. I thought that was really awesome. And it was free. Alright, now we're talking about something a little bit intense. So I got an epilator. When I was growing up, my mother had an epilator and she would use it on her legs. And she would ask me and my sister if we wanted to try it. Tried it one time, hated it. Absolutely hated it. But granted, at the time, like, you know, I have zero pain tolerance. Like, there is no pain tolerance in this body whatsoever. Absolutely zero. So this may be a hit or miss. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to do like a little mini review on it. We shall see. If you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments or leave this video a thumbs up. We will absolutely do that. I am nervous about it. It says it's got 6 tweezers in it. It's got the battery included. It says long-lasting results. So it's by Remington. I do trust Remington. I like Remington products. So we shall see. We shall see. And the last 2 things that I ordered are scent products. So this is called Just a Spritz Sweet and Clean Fragrance Mist. And it's Luxe by Mr. Bubble. I've never heard of Mr. Bubble. I don't know anything about their products, but this stuff does smell really nice. So it's a little glass spray bottle. It's actually, to me, it's a pretty good size. They had this on sale for like $4. So to me, anytime that you buy a perfume, no matter how small it is, even at Ulta, they can be quite pricey. So I thought $4 for this thing being on sale was a good price. This smells... It's called Sweet and Clean, and I definitely see the sweet and clean. I don't remember what it said that it was supposed to smell like, but it's definitely a sweet and clean. Let me look at here. It says, savor every moment of this luscious, sweet and clean blend of sugared cream, pink jasmine, sweet pear, and strawberries laced with swirls of decadent caramel. Whether you're headed out on the town or just want to freshen up, Just a Spritz is all it takes to lift your spirits so you can take on the day or night with confidence. And this stuff does smell really, really good. I definitely, I like both of the scents that I got, but this one is definitely my favorite. I had never smelled it before, and I keep wanting to smell it now. It's like one of those scents that when you smell it, you just want to keep smelling it. That's the vibe that I get from this. And then the last scent that I picked up is by Soap & Glory. This is called Sugar Crush Body Spray. This actually smells really good too. I sprayed this one on myself already. I don't know how to describe this smell either, to be perfectly honest with you. And it didn't come in a box. So I think it's kind of citrusy to me. It's a little bit citrusy, but it's also sweet. So I really like it. I'm somebody who really enjoys sweet scents. So if you like sweet scents and then kind of citrusy, you'll probably like that too. But for the most part, I'm loving this one. And then down in the bottom of my bag are these little samples. I'm somebody who always gets in on the free samples too. I do feel like if you get a perfume sample that it takes it a little bit longer to come in. I don't know if it's like... if I'm full of it and I'm a total liar, I don't know, but to me it just seems like it takes my products a little bit longer to come in if I order perfume samples. I always just assume that it's because of the way it has to travel, but like I said, I could be totally full of it and don't know what I'm talking about because I generally don't know how the mail works. So this sample is Ralph Lauren Blue. I'm not sure if this one is a men's perfume or a women's perfume. I'm just going to spray it on the... Yeah, I definitely feel like this one is for a guy, so I'll be giving that to my husband. And it smells good. It smells really clean. It's a very clean scent. And then the other scent is Moonlight by Ariana Grande, or Ariana. I never know how to say her name. It's such a pretty name, but I don't know how to say it. And this one, again, that's a pretty good sized little sample. Ooh, I love that. Yes. That's one of those sweet smells that is going to be in my purse. Like, that's one that's going to go with me everywhere. I will be wearing that pretty much on a daily basis until it runs out. and that may be one that actually gets purchased. Oh, that's a good scent. That is a good scent. Well, that is everything that I picked up from Ulta this time. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products, because there's some of them that I've actually never tried before. There's a lot of them that I've never tried. The only ones that I know that I like is this right here and this. These are the only products that I bought this time that I've actually tried before and know for sure that I like them. I'm really excited to try out this tinted moisturizer, because like when we go to the beach, I don't want to be wearing a full face of makeup all the time. I don't even know if I want to wear makeup at all, but I figured just for a little bit of SPF, this will be really good, and I'm probably gonna layer some of this underneath it too, so that we've got like super extra caution in there. But let me know if you guys have tried any of these products, and I will talk to you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever it is when you're watching this. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, y'all.